Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am smitten with Blythe dolls. Not just Kenners and Takars and Good Smile and Ashton Drake, you know, the registered Blythe dolls are registered trademark, but also the, I call them Alley Blythes or the 202 Blythes from China, as well as the Boy Blythes, the Midi Blythes, the Mini Blythes, the Chubby Blythes, of which I'm doing a collaboration today with Dory from Dory's Dollies, Karen from Starch and Stitches, sorry Karen, and Jay from J Dolls UK. And what we're doing is we're making an outfit, this little overall outfit, and we all used this pattern and had to do some tweaking. And I was going to show you these patterns I've made. These dolls have such a wide wingspan that if you make a shirt like a 14-inch doll shirt, it won't necessarily go over the doll's hands. There's no give here. They go straight out, and even if you take them to the back, that's how wide they are. I love these dolls. I was going to show you that these are, the Chubby Blythe dolls are a combination of an icy Blythe doll. These are so cute. And they come like this girl. Don't you love her? Oh, I want to get to her for myself, but I have so many dolls. I need to think about it. So she's just waiting. I bought her to sell, but I could use a Fat Wednesday. I'm just going to put this in here. And her hair is so raven black. It's gorgeous. Anyway, that's the head you use, along with the Mimi Bobek body. All of the bodies, are all that I have ever seen, are stained from the clothing being on these vintage dolls so long. And you can read about that online on our website, as well as any website that talks about them. So the clothing needs a little tweaking. This, I was going to show, is a 14-inch doll dress done as is for this. Actually, I made this for a 14-inch doll, put it on her to show you. If you see, it's good around here, but the arms need tweaking, and right in here could use some tweaking, and it could be cut a little shorter. So there is some tweaking involved, even though it fits the gut area. So I did a little bit of tweaking on this pattern and had a little bit of trouble with it, but in the end, I think it worked out really cute. I only put one pocket on because she didn't carry much stuff. I really like this doll. I use this fabric. Let me reach in here. I use this fabric because it's kind of a nod, if you look at it, to the Love and Lace 1972 iconic green dress, and she has on orange shoes, which is what the 1972 dolls have. Her shirt was a little harder. The shirts are pretty hard to tweak, and it wasn't that I had trouble tweaking the shirt, it's that my machine had trouble sewing it. I know there's 1,000 ways to tweak or to work with double knit, but I didn't use any of those because my machine and I had been getting along pretty good. But I do like the shirt and how it turned out in the end. I did one dart instead of two coming up, and you do that because there's less on the Chubby dolls than the 14-inch in here. But again, that wingspan. And you have to keep your holes, wider to get over the hands too. I also made her, oh, you lost your shoe. Darren makes these shoes for me. You can't really find Mimi Bobek shoes. There is a green pair that they come with, which I like, but on the Chubbies, I put an elastic band through the waist of the little gathered skirts. I'm just going to pull this. I was going to tuck it in for you, but I'm going to just pull it down over. I went ahead and made her this to match her little shirt while I was at it. Here we go. It is fall. It is fall out. Here we are. This summer just went like that. Anyway, I made this because I thought it was cute and timely, and I had a really good time. I've probably talked too much, but I wanted to take the opportunity to show off my Chubby Blythe dolls. I absolutely love them, and yes, I recommend them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you so much, Jay, Karen, and Dory. This was really fun. Be sure and go by, even if you just go by and look at their cute little Chubby dolls. They're making cute outfits today too. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.